You will open this activity in Schoology. Once you have opened this activity, there will be two slides. The first slide will have your word table, and the second slide will have the words that you are going to be using. You will be looking at these words to decide where they go in the table. You will be sorting them based on their first long vowel sound, as well as the number of syllables. You will use slash marks to separate the syllables. I've done two examples for you. For science, science has two syllables. I have separated the two syllables using a slash mark. The first vowel sound I hear in science is a long I, so I put it in the long I column. The next one is defiance. Defiance has three syllables, and I have used slash marks to separate the syllables. The first vowel sound you hear in defiance is the long E, so I have put it in the long E column. You will put every word on this list into the correct column.